Good morning, students. In last video, we learned about the IMG tag. Today in this video, we learn about the how to create hyperlink in a web page. Hyperlink means link between the document. Hyperlink means link between the document which help the users to navigate from one page to another one page to another web page without entering the address of the web page, without entering the URL means uniform resource locator of the web page. The link always available on a web page can connect different section of the same page, connect different section of the same page, or you can connect to documents, or you can connect to web pages, to connect to website, to connect to an images, to connect to a document, to connect a program, or to connect to videos, or to connect audio clip also. So when you want to create the link of the any image, audio, video, document, program, then you can use the hyperlink. And hyperlink, when you want to create the hyperlink, the name of the tag is a tag. The name of the tag is a tag. So let's do the practical. Write down first HTML head title. Here we write down the title of the document, hyperlink, and then you can close the title tag here. After that you can start the body tag here, and we add one heading here, and my name of the heading is creating hyperlink. Okay, after that h1 tag close, heading close. Now let's start. Write down the a is the name of the tag to create a hyperlink. This a is the name of the tag of to create the hyperlink. Only a stands, only a. The A stands for anchor, ANCHOR. The name of the A is anchor tag. So when you create a hyperlink, you need any two document, two web pages, or a different section of the same page also. So here we create the link between the two web pages. Already we have created the 10th class.html file. So today we create the 10th alpha. For example, today we create 10th alpha web page. So you can write down here A space href. Href stands for hyperreference. Hyperreference means reference or location or path of the document where you want to create the hyperlink. For example, I want to create the hyperlink with 10th.html. So here we write down a space href is equal to inverted comma start, and write down 10th class dot html. Extension name is required with the file name, and after that angular bracket close. Here you can write down the text. You can write down next, back, go to 10th class file, any text that you want, or you can also insert here any image, because link can be created with the text or image present on the web page. Okay, so here we can write down the next is the text hypertext. This is called hypertext. After that you can close the a tag. We only close the a tag, don't close the href, because href is the attribute of a tag and the name of the tag is a only. After that you can close the body tag here, and after body you can close the head, and then you can close the html here, and then you can save this file. And now I am saving this file with 10th alpha.html. Okay, so now you can open in your browser. You can open your file, and the name of the file is 10th alpha.html. Okay, so here you can see the hyperlink. This is the hyperlink. this next. When you click on this next, the link document will be opened here, and the link document is this one, and this is the name of the document is 10th alpha.html. For example, now we want, when we visited in this file, 10th alpha file, we want to back in your 10th alpha, then now you can open in notepad 10th class file. First you can open 10th class.html file first here, and now you can create hyperlink here. So you can create hyperlink here, and hyperlink you can give spaces here only. So you can write down in here angular bracket a space href is equal to, now you can write down the name of the file here, and the name of the file is